Here are 5 facts when it comes to cryptocurrency. Fact number 1, there is 0 intrinsic value on any cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin. That's a fact. Number 2, cryptocurrencies are not a replacement for gold as a store of capital. Number 3, Bitcoin and any cryptocurrency is not money. Money is a means of exchange. Money for food, food for money. Money for car, car for money. Money for house, house for money. Crypto is not money. Number 4, when you're investing in cryptocurrency, try to set a percentage of your investable assets. Like 10% of your total investable assets can go into cryptocurrencies, and don't exceed that. Number 5, there's only a finite amount of Bitcoin, which is unique because there's never going to be more than that amount. Those are 5 facts about cryptocurrency.
I'm about to give you the #1 reason why you are not rich in crypto yet, and why you just can't seem to make money inside of the crypto market. Now, some of you might not like this reason, but it is just the truth. It's because your attention span is as bad as a squirrel. Some of y'all can't even watch an educational crypto video that's 10 minutes long. So how do you think you deserve millions of dollars in crypto when you haven't even put the hours in? Because I'm going to tell you right now, if you put the hours in, the results are almost guaranteed. But you did watch that whole TV show season, didn't you? And wasted like 36 hours of your life. This might piss you off, but it's the truth.